How can I make this track tracing effect with Video E? First, open Video E, click Make Video to import the video we want to edit through Resource. Here I use basketball as an example to make the effect. First, click the Transform button below to enter the keyframe creation page. Position the time hand at 0 seconds and light up the inch and scale keyframes. Then modify the value of inch and move the small dot on the screen to the center of the basketball. The value of scale does not need to be changed after setting. Preview the video and pause playback at the position where the basketball lands if you think it is too fast. You can click the two small buttons next to the time hand to adjust frame by frame and stop exactly where the basketball lands after changing the position. Modify the value of inch and move the small dot to the center of the basketball. Then modify the data of scale. I set it to 200 because the overall video magnifies the position behind the basketball. We don't want to see it. So at the position of the second keyframe, we click the time needle to move one space to the right and modify the scale data to restore the default value. Continue to preview and stop at the position above the basketball. Modify the value of inch by the same operation and move the small dot on the screen to the center of the basketball. Then modify the scale data. I set it to 200. Move the time hand to the right again and restore the scale data to 100. Due to the short time, the following processes are repeated operations. First, modify the value of inch and move the small dot on the screen to the center of the basketball. Then modify the scale data. I set it to 200. Move the time hand to the right again and restore the scale data to 100. After repeating a few keyframes in this way, we preview the effect, and we can see that the screen follows the basketball movement. Of course, here I suggest re-entering the transform page after all keyframes are set. Zoom in on the work axis and put scale behind the keyframes with a value of 100 are deleted, and the preview effect is better. How about it? Have you learned it?